Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your Facebook group permanently. So in order to delete your Facebook group, you have to delete all of your Facebook group member first. Okay, so let's go to group, Facebook group. Then you can see here I have just opened the group right now to show how to delete a group. This is only one member. Click on this member option. Just click on member and you'll find here members. You can see that here's two member only. This is my another ID. So all you have to just, if you want to delete Facebook group, you have to delete the member first. So right click on this three dot icon and click remove from this group. Now three dot, you can see the three dot and you'll find here ban from group or delete from group or remove from group. Okay, so I'm finding here ban from group. Click on ban from group and click on delete. Click on next and click on confirm. You can see that this guy has been banned from the group. Now you can delete the group. After that, you have to click on your name. If you are the group creator, click on this and choose leave the group or leave group, or sometimes you may find delete a group. Okay, if you now leave the group, you don't have any members in your group and you are only the member. If you click on the leave, it will find the delete group. Just click on this delete group and your group will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.